Good evening, everyone. I'm here to help you solve brief exercise 311 in the book. I know that each one of us in the homework online will get different numbers, so I have just used the numbers that are in the book. So to get started, the first thing you need to do with a trial balance is to list the accounts and their balances. As you see here, I created a separate chart. This is just for me to make it a little bit simpler. I'm still getting used to whether it's a debit or credit account. So for that reason, I created this separate chart. So accounts payable has a normal credit balance, and cash has a normal debit balance. Common stock has a normal credit. Dividends also have a normal debit, and equipment has a normal debit. Service revenue has a normal credit balance. Accounts receivable has a normal debit. Salaries and wages also have a normal debit balance. And rent expense is also a debit. So for me, this was easier. Now I can just go in and plug in my numbers here. Cash was $5,400 and it's a debit. Accounts payable has a $1,000 balance and it's a credit. Common stock is also a credit at $18,000. Dividends have a debit balance of $1,200. Equipment has a debit balance of $13,000. Service revenue has a credit balance of $8,600. Accounts receivable has a debit balance of $3,000. Salaries and wages, debit balance of $4,000. And rent expense has a debit balance of $1,000. A normal debit balance. As you can see, both of our columns here add up to $27,600. So we know that our trial balance shows equality. Couple of very important things to remember about trial balances is that it only proves the mathematical equality of your debit and credit normal balances. It won't determine errors that were made with entries or lack of entries, whether you forgot to record something on a ledger or put them into the wrong accounts. It won't show you that. But if the balances are off, it does alert you that there's a problem somewhere so that you can go looking for it. But as you see here, we have equality, so we are good to go. I hope that helps. Well, I lost my recorder. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to close this off for you.